Hello students, in last session from the chapter number 14 statistic, last exercise is completed. The graph, the last topic from our textbook. See in your textbook on page number 289. The theory, graphical representation of cumulative frequency distribution is cut out from our syllabus so that we can't discuss here this topic. Let's see some revision regarding the chapter number 14 statistic. First two methods, direct method and the assuming method to find the mean of given data. As we know, the step deviation method is cut out from our syllabus. On a blackboard, there are three different sums are there. The first is find mean using direct method. As you know, how in examination question is asked. The horizontal table is given, one is class and second is for frequency. We use direct method so that first of all formula x bar is equals to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. For that we required xi means the class mark, third column is for class mark and next is fi multiply with xi. To find the class mark, 0 plus 20 divide by 2 10. Here the class size is 20, adding 20 30 50, 70 and the 90 are class mark. Now to find fi xi, we multiply frequency with class mark. Frequency is the fi and class mark is the xi. 150, 540, 0, 1050, 0 is here, 2030, 0 is here, 153, now we find sigma fi xi is equals to 0 is here, 5300. Now sigma fi used in the formula to find sigma fi is 100. Sigma fi is 5300 and sigma fi is 100. Sigma fi xi is 5300 and sigma fi is 100. That's why x bar is equals to 53. Two zeros are cut here. Hence, the mean of given data is 53 using the direct method. Now second method, find the mean using assuming method. Now we apply assuming method. For that, first of all formula x bar is equals to a plus sigma fi di upon sigma fi. For that we required assuming a. To require assuming a, first find the class mark, then di is equals to xi minus a and last column is for fi di. To find class mark a, 100 plus 10, 204 divide by 2 and we get 102. 102. Here the class size is 4. By adding 4 we get 106, 110, 114 and 118. Done. Now to find di, first of all assume a from the class mark xi. Class mark xi. Frequency is fi. In front of a, di is always 0. It is a assuming method. Now we subtract a from the xi, we get 4. 118 minus 110, we get 8. Below side positive and upside the negative. Now we multiply fi with the di. 15 8s are minus 120, 24s are 80, here is the 0, 18 4s are 72, 15 8s are again 120. Now plus minus 120 is cut. Sigma fi di we obtain minus 80 plus 72 minus 8, and here is the sigma fi. 100. A is equals to 110, where sigma fi di minus 8 upon 100, 110 as it is, minus 0.08. We subtract 0.08 from 110. 10 minus 8 is 2. Here is the 9 point, here is the 9, here is the 0. 109.92. 109.92 is the x bar using which method? Using the assuming method. Therefore, 109.92 is the mean of given data. Let's see the third sum regarding the missing frequency, one missing frequency in which the mean of data is given. Mean is equals to 18. Find the missing frequency f. The class and consecutive frequencies are given. The first of all we have to find sigma fi, which is f plus f plus 40 . Now we find the class mark. To find the class mark, first of all decide the class size h, which is 2, 12, 11 plus 13, 24 by 2, which is 12, then 14, then 16, then 18, then 20, 22, and here is the 24. The class marks are obtained here. Now for di. To obtain di, first of all assume in a, which is 20. In front of a, di is 0. Now we subtract xi minus a, 22 minus 20, which is 2, then 4. Upside minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, and the minus 8. Now we multiply fi with di. Minus 24, minus 36, minus 36, minus 26. In front of 0, which is 0, 5 2s are 10, 4 4s are 16. Here is the 26 plus minus cut. We have to add 36, 36 and the 24. Sigma fi di is equals to 96, but it is a minus 96. Here the assume mean a is equals to 20, x bar is equals to a plus sigma fi di upon sigma fi. Here the x bar is given, the mean is 18, where a assume mean is 20 plus sigma fi di minus 96, sigma fi, which is f plus 40. Now we have to move 20 right to left. 18 minus 20 is equals to minus 96 upon f plus 40. 18 minus 20 minus 2 is equals to minus 96 upon f plus 40. Now we make f plus 40 as the subject. We get minus 96 upon minus 2. Now cut is possible, minus minus, and 48 f is equals to 48 minus 40. Therefore f is equals to 8 here. Hence missing frequency f is equals to 8 is obtained. Here 3 important sums are completed. One is for direct method, how to find mean using direct method. Second is for mean using assume method, and third is for missing frequency. All 3 are important. Now we see mode and median. Let's see some more examples regarding our revision. Find the mode. Now one sum regarding the mode, class and regarding frequencies are given. Here the class are in continuous form, compulsory in mode, and median. The given class distribution is compulsory continuous form. The first of all, find the highest frequency 27. It is called F1. Here highest frequency 27 lies in the class 200 to 300. Therefore, class 200 to 300 is model class. Lower limit of model class is 200. Class size H is equals to 100. 27. The highest frequency is the frequency of model class F1. Its previous frequency is F0. Frequency of class preceding the model class F0 is equals to 18, and frequency of the class succeeding to the model class F2 is equals to 20. Now we apply formula. Mode is equals to L plus into bracket F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H, where L is equals to 200 plus F1 minus F0. 27 minus F0 is 18 upon 2 into F1, 2 into 27 minus 18 minus F2 is equals to 20, and the class size H is equals to 100. 200 as it is plus 27 minus 18, 9 upon 27 2s are 54 minus 38 multiply with 100. Here the 200 remains as it is plus 900 upon 54 minus 38, 6 and 1 6. Now cut is possible by 2 to first, 8, 450. Again by 2, 4 za, 2 2 za, and the 5, 2 2 5. 200 plus 225 divide by 4. 225 divide by 4. 56.25. Hence our answer of mode is 256.25. The mode is obtained here 256.25. Now we discuss for the median. It is a simple sum regarding the median, and next it's the missing frequency, 2 missing frequencies. Find the median where the class intervals and regarding frequencies are given. As we know, to find the median we have to decide first a median class. To obtain a median class we require sigma fi and CF. The last column is for cumulative frequency CF. First of all, find sigma fi. Which is 200. Now to find CF, 10 as it is, 10 plus 15, 25, 25 plus 30, 55, 135, 175, 195, and the last which is 200. Done. Now we decide median class. For that, sigma fi n is equals to 200. That's why n upon 2 is equals to 200 upon 2, which is 100. Here the first cumulative frequency greater than n by 2, which is 135. 135 is first greater than 100. Here 135 is the cumulative frequency which is first greater than n upon 2, lies in class 15 to 20. Therefore, class 15 to 20 is median class. So that our answer lies between 15 to 20, where L lower limit is 15, class size H is equals to 5, F is the frequency of median class, and CF is the frequency of class preceding the median class. F is 80 and CF is equals to 55. Now median M is equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H, where L is equals to 15 plus n upon 2. N upon 2 is equals to 100 minus CF is the 55, F is equals to 80, and the class size H is equals to 5. Now 15 remains as it is plus 100 minus 55, 45 upon 80 multiply with 5, 15 as it is plus 225 upon 80. Cut is possible but not required here. We directly divide 225 by 8. $28.125, 15 plus 28.125, but 10 is remain, means 2.815. Our answer is 17.8125, which is approximate 17.81. 17.81 is the median of given data. Hence, the simple median is obtained. Now third means sixth number. Sixth is for missing frequency. In the missing frequency, whenever we need to find two missing frequency, there are two things given in the question. One is the median, which is 50, and the total frequency sigma fi is equals to 90. The third column required for CF. Here we required fi, which is p plus q plus addition of numbers. It is a q and here is the p. 78. Now we find CF, P as it is P plus 15, P plus 40, P plus 60, P plus Q plus 60, P plus Q plus 68, and the last is P plus Q plus 78. Here the cumulative frequency of last class interval and the sigma fi both are equal. From the median, here median 50 lies in class 50 to 60. Therefore, class 50 to 60 is median class. Here the class 50 to 60 is our median class. Lower limit L, let's discuss later. First use sigma fi given in the question, which is 90. But sigma Fi from the table P plus Q plus 78 is equals to 90. Therefore, P plus Q is equals to 90 minus 78. Therefore, P plus Q is equals to 12, which is our first equation. Now to apply formula, we required L. L is equals to lower limit of median class. Lower limit is 50. The class size H is equals to 10. Then F is equals to the frequency of median class F and frequency of class preceding the median class P plus 40. F is equals to 20 and CF is equals to P plus 40. M is equals to L plus, using formula n by 2 minus Cf upon F into H, where the median is given 50 is equals to 50 n upon 2. Here the sigma Fi is 90 and n upon 2 is equals to 45. 45 minus Cf P plus 40, but put it into bracket, upon F, where F is equals to 20 and the class size which is 10. 10 to the 50 goes to left hand side. 50 minus 50, 45 minus P minus 40 upon 2. Here 0 multiply with 2. 45 minus 40, 5 minus P. That's why P is equals to 5. Here one missing frequency which is 5. To obtain another missing frequency, use equation 1. From 1, we know P plus Q is equals to 12. That's why 5 plus Q is equals to 12. Therefore, Q is equals to 12 minus 5. Q is equals to 7. Both missing frequencies are here. Hence, missing frequencies are P is equals to 5 and Q is equals to 7. Both are obtained. Here the 6 most important sum are completed. Now we see next one. Let's see more from our revision. Here the mean is 2.6. We need to find Y, Xi and Fi. Xi means the observations are given and Fi means the frequency is given. First of all, we have to prepare one table, Xi, Fi and the sigma Fi Xi. For that Fi multiply with Xi. 1, 2, 3, 4 and the 5. And Fi is 4, 5, Y, 1, 2. Sigma Fi is equals to Y plus 12. 4 ones are 4, 2 5s are 10, 3y, 4 ones are 4, 5 2s are 10, where sigma Fi Xi is equals to 3y plus 28. Now we apply formula. X bar is equals to sigma Fi Xi upon sigma Fi, where sigma Fi Xi is equals to 3y plus 28. Sigma Fi is equals to y plus 10, 12, and the mean is equals to 2.6. That's why 26 upon 10 is equals to 3y plus 28 upon y plus 12. 2 13s are and 2 5s are. 13 multiply with y plus 12 is equals to 5 multiply with 3y plus 28. Therefore, 13y plus, we multiply 13 with 12, 156 is equals to 15y plus 28 5s are 140. Now 15y minus 13y is equals to 156 minus 140. That's why 2y is equals to 16 and y is equals to 8. Here the value of y is 8 is obtained. Now the second 8th number, mode of the observation 64, 40, 48x, 43, 48, 43, 34 is 43. Then x plus 3 is equals to blank. Given observations are 64, 40, 48, x, 43, 48, 43, 34. Now mode is given is equals to 43. As we know, mode is the most frequently occurred observation. The 43 comes 2 times and the 48 comes 2 times. Mode is the observation which is most frequently occurred. Therefore, x is equals to also 43 because 48 and 43 both comes 2 times. So that value of x is 43 and hence our mode is 43. And now the value of x plus 3 is equals to 43 plus 3 is equals to 46. The 46 is the answer of x plus 3. Now the 9th number, if the median of observation arranged in ascending order as 24, 25, 26, x plus 2, x plus 3, 30, 31, 34 is 27.5, then find x. Here the number of observation plus the observation arranged in ascending order is given. Given observations in ascending order are 24, 25, 26, x plus 2, x plus 3, 30, 31, 34. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 observations are there. Number of observation n is equals to 8, which is even. That's why mode is equal, the median is equals to n upon 2 observation plus n upon 2 plus 1 observation divided by 2 is equals to, where m median is given, median is equals to 27.5, n is equals to 8 upon 2 observation plus 8 upon 2 plus 1 observation divide by 2. 27.5 multiply with 2, 4th observation plus 5th observation because 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8. 27 2s are 55, where the 4th observation is x plus 2 and the 5th observation is x plus 3. 55 is equals to 2x plus 5, hence 2x is equals to 55 minus 5. Therefore, 2x is equals to 50 and the value of x is 50 upon 2. 2 25s are, therefore x is equals to 25. Value of x is 25 is obtained. Now the last 10th number. If the mean of first n natural numbers is 5n upon 9, then find n. Mean is given, mean x bar is equals to 5n upon 9. X bar is equals to sigma xi upon n, where x bar is equals to 5n upon 9. We need to find the mean of first n natural numbers 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n upon the total number of observations are n. 5n upon 9 is equals to n into bracket n plus 1 upon 2 in whole denominator again n. Now n is cut here, remaining 5n upon 9 is equals to n plus 1 upon 2. 5 2s are 10n and 9 multiply with bracket 9 into bracket n plus 1. Therefore 10n is equals to 9n plus 9. That's why 10n minus 9n is equals to 9. Therefore n is equals to 9. We need to find the value of n. Hence the value of n is obtained here. Value of n is 9. Hence the revision of chapter number 14 statistic is completed. Whenever we meet in next session, we discussed the revision of another chapter. Try to practicing the sum like this, solving in our exercise, solving in our revision. If you have a query, then tick mark it. We meet in next session with new revision.